Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 10 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Pratiksha Chemicals. Rupees 70 crore rights issue approved by Velora Impact, formerly Pratiksha Chemicals. What changed? The company is seeking a capital infusion 70x its current net worth, and its existing promoters are seeking to move to the public category, effectively signaling an exit from control. The key numbers. Rights issue amount, rupees 70.00 crore. Fundraise versus market cap, ~875%. Fundraise versus net worth, ~7,000%. Current promoter holding, 3.12%. New authorized capital, rupees 77.50 crore. Why it matters? For a microcap company with a rupees 1 crore net worth and negative ROCE, a rupees 70 crore fundraise is transformative and likely indicates a complete pivot in business operations or a major acquisition. What to watch? Monitor the announcement of the rights issue price and entitlement ratio, as the dilution will be extreme. Watch for any new strategic investors or a change in management following the current promoter's exit reclassification. Story 2. Marg Techno Projects. Rupees 63.9 crore rights issue allotment, Marg Techno Projects corrects issue price to rupees 10. What changed? The company has successfully completed a major rights issue, resulting in a 5.5x increase in its total share count and a rupees 63.9 crore cash infusion. The key numbers. Rights issue size, rupees 63.90 crore. Issue versus TTM revenue, 912.8%. Issue versus net worth, 182.5%. New paid-up capital, rupees 78.10 crore. Shares allotted, 6 crores 39 lakhs. Issue price, rupees 10.00. Why it matters? For a small NBFC with only rupees 7 crore in TTM revenue, this capital infusion provides significant dry powder to expand its lending operations, though it comes at the cost of massive equity dilution. What to watch? Investors should monitor the deployment of this capital into the loan book and the subsequent impact on net interest margins, NIMs, as the massive equity dilution will significantly impact EPS in the near term. Story 3. Kanel Industries. Rupees 17 crore rights issue approved, management changes following control shift. What changed? The company has initiated a major capital raise and restructured its board following a change in ownership and control. The key numbers. Rights issue size, rupees 17 crore. Issue versus net worth, ~113%. Issue versus market cap, ~18.3%. Promoter holding, 95.0%. TTM revenue, rupees 0 crore. Why it matters? For a company with zero revenue and a small market cap of rupees 93 crore, a rupees 17 crore infusion is a transformative event that provides the necessary liquidity to restart or pivot business operations. What to watch? Investors should monitor the upcoming announcement regarding the rights issue price, entitlement ratio, and record date. The primary focus should be on the company's plan for utilizing these funds to generate revenue, as current operations are stagnant. Story 4. CLN Energy. Credit rating upgraded to CARE BBB, stable for rupees 55 crore bank facilities. What changed? CARE Ratings upgraded the credit rating for the company's bank facilities by one notch, moving from the BBB- category to BBB. The key numbers. Rated bank facilities, rupees 55.00 crore. Rated facilities versus total debt, 59.1%. FY26 revenue, rupees 347.0 crore. New long-term rating, CARE BBB, stable. Previous long-term rating, CARE BBB-, stable. Why it matters? A higher credit rating typically reduces the cost of borrowing and enhances the company's ability to secure larger credit lines needed for its capital-intensive lithium-ion battery and BESS manufacturing business. What to watch? Investors should monitor if this upgrade leads to lower interest costs on the company's rupees 93 crore debt in upcoming quarterly results. Additionally, track the execution of the rupees 108 crore BSNL contract, which is a major revenue driver for the current fiscal. Story 5. Sharp Investments. Sharp Investments to issue 27.51 crore shares via swap, promoter holding to drop to 9.07%. What changed? The company issued a corrigendum to its AGM notice to correct the shareholding patterns and allotee details for a proposed preferential share swap that was previously based on outdated March 2026 data. The key numbers. Shares to be allotted, 27 crores 51 lakhs 51,600. Issue price, Re. 1.00, post-issue promoter holding, 9.07%. 90-day VWAP, rupees 0.39. Total post-issue shares, 51 crores 72 lakhs 49,100. Why it matters? This is a transformative capital restructuring for a microcap NBFC. The issuance of shares equal to 100% of its current net worth, rupees 28 crore, to new entities suggests a potential change in control or a major shift in the company's asset base. What to watch? Investors should monitor the AGM results on 7 August 2026 and seek specific details regarding the assets or entities being acquired in exchange for this massive share issuance. Story 6. Beryl Securities. Rupees 2.98 crore preferential issue proposed, promoter stake to dilute to 57.01%. What changed? The company is initiating a significant equity fundraise involving both promoters and public participants, which will expand its share capital from 4,849,700 to 6,145,335 shares. The key numbers. Total fundraise value, rupees 2.98 crore. Issue price per share, rupees 23. Fundraise versus net worth, 29.8%. Fundraise versus TTM revenue, 74.5%. Post-issue promoter holding, 57.01%. AGM date, 25th August 2026. Why it matters? For a microcap NBFC, a capital infusion equal to 30% of its net worth provides essential liquidity to expand its lending book or investment activities, potentially addressing the stagnant profitability seen in recent quarters. What to watch? Monitor the voting results of the AGM on 25th August 2026 and the subsequent timeline for allotment and listing of new shares. Investors should track how the company deploys this capital to improve its TTM PAT, which currently stands at nearly zero. Story 7. Reliable Ventures India. 26% open offer at rupees 21 share, Reliable Ventures sets 31st July as identified date. What changed? The acquisition process has moved to the next stage with the formal fixing of the identified date for shareholder notification. The key numbers. Offer size, shares 28,63,354. Offer size, percent 26.00%. Offer price, rupees 21. Current market price, rupees 24.7. TTM revenue, rupees 0 crore. Offer value versus market cap, tilde 22.2%. Why it matters? This represents a potential change in control or management for a non-operational company, rupees 0 TTM revenue, which could lead to a new business direction or turnaround attempt. What to watch? Shareholders should monitor the receipt of the letter of offer and evaluate the new acquirer's background, as the company currently has no revenue and the offer price is below the current market price. Story 8. Sancode Technologies. 19.99% stake acquisition by Trinity Gate LLC in Sancode Technologies via warrant conversion. What changed? Trinity Gate LLC has converted warrants into a 19.99% equity stake, becoming a major non-promoter shareholder in Sancode Technologies. The key numbers. Shares allotted, 14,90,387. Post-issue stake, 19.99%. Pre-issue share capital, 51,79,978 shares. Post-issue share capital, 74,55,560 shares. Equity dilution magnitude, tilde 44%. Why it matters? This represents a significant capital infusion and the entry of a foreign institutional-style investor into a microcap IT services firm, though it comes at the cost of substantial equity dilution, tilde 44%, for existing shareholders. What to watch? Investors should monitor the company's upcoming financial results to see how the capital from this warrant conversion is deployed to improve its low operating margins, 2.1%. Watch for any strategic shifts or management changes that may follow the entry of such a significant minority shareholder. Story 9. Regency Fincorp. Rupees 40 crore NCD allotment at 13% coupon to Motilal Oswal and others. What changed? The company has successfully raised rupees 40 crore in debt capital from institutional and private investors. The key numbers. Issue size, rupees 40.00 crore. Coupon rate, 13%. Tenor, 30 months. Security cover, 1.35x. Fundraise versus FY25 AUM, tilde 23.5%. Why it matters? This provides the necessary liquidity to expand the loan book in Tier 2/3 cities, aligning with the company's goal to reach a 100% secured portfolio by December 2026. What to watch? Monitor the deployment of these funds into the secured loan book and the impact on net interest margins, NIM, given the 13% cost of debt. Story 10. Mitsui India. Rupees 15 per share open offer for 26% stake in Mitsui India Ltd by Karon Naresh Bajaj. What changed? A formal open offer process has been initiated by an individual acquirer to pick up a significant 26% stake in the company. The key numbers. Offer price, rupees 15 per share. Offer size, shares 22,88,000. Offer size, percent 26%. Premium to current price, 15.4%. Total offer value, rupees 3.43 crore. Why it matters? For a microcap company with a rupees 13 crore market cap and low promoter holding, 15.6%, a 26% stake acquisition could lead to a change in control or significant management influence. What to watch? Investors should monitor the dispatch of the letter of offer and the specific dates for the tendering period to decide whether to participate in the exit opportunity at rupees 15. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.